Hello everybody and welcome back. Incredible progress is underway at Six Flags Over Texas for its new record-breaking Giga Dive Coaster, Tormenta Rampaging Run. This isn't just any ride, it's a 309-foot giant set to be the world's tallest, fastest, and longest dive coaster when it opens in 2026. The massive concrete foundations are being poured by the local experts at H3 Construction. H3 have previously worked with Six Flags Over Texas on the Riddler's Revenge. Right now, crews are actively building the ride's brake run, with the Link Belt 750 crane carefully placing each piece of that signature track, which was designed by the legendary Switzerland-based firm B&M. And check this out. This very track segment, now part of the brake run, is the one signed by fans at the announcement ceremony. And you can still see those autographs. A perfect tribute to the park's history as it waits for the next piece. Speaking of history, the story behind this ride's site design is truly special. It's being led by Arthur Calcaterra and the team at Fort Worth's Quorum Architects. For Arthur, this project is monumental. Almost 25 years ago, he was working right here at the park selling snacks. Now, he's designing the layout for this world record-breaking dive coaster. And to bring that design to life, the massive Sani lattice boom crawler crane is on site getting ready for the main event, constructing that towering 309-foot lift hill. From a former employee fulfilling a dream to local companies building a world record, Tormenta Rampaging Run is more than a roller coaster. It's a Texas-sized team effort. Stay tuned as we watch this giant come to life. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button to stay in the loop. And as always, thanks for watching.